First, look 2026 BMW R E250 RT Vs BMW R E300 RT.
Here's the current landscape for the R1250 in 2026. Model availability: Succession, the R1300Gs and the newly announced R1300 RT 2026. Model year have officially replaced the 1250 as the flagship performance boxer models. Continued production. While the standard R1250GS is being phased out in many Western markets, it continues to be a primary offering in other regions. Heritage and Touring. Other models in the 1250 family, such as the R1250R Roadster and R1250RS, have received minor model care updates for 2026, primarily consisting of new color options like Gravity Blue Metallic. Technical specifications: Aramil 250Gs. If you are looking at the 2026 availability of the 1250G, the specs remain consistent with the refined ShiftCam generation.
Keep the sky on your mind. Flying. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying.
Performance and engine. The centerpiece is the new 1300cc liquid-cooled boxer engine, which is more compact than the previous 1250. Power: 145 horsepower at 7,750 revolutions per minute. Torque: 110 lb-ft at 6,500 revolutions per minute. Transmission: a 6-speed gearbox, now available with the optional automated shift assistant ASA, which allows for fully automatic shifting or manual shifts without a clutch leak. Chassis and handling. BMW has moved away from the old tubular steel frame to a stiffer steel sheet metal mainframe and an aluminum rear section. Suspension features the new Evo telelever front and Evo paralever rear for better steering, precision, and stability. Dynamic Chassis Adaptation DCA, an optional system that adjusts the spring rate and damping in real time. It can even adjust the ride height, lowering the bike when stopped to make it easier to manage.